Well, why don't you go check in the garage and see if it starts your car?
No, I always try. It's for my new car.
I think I'll leave it out in the garage and see what's out there. If there's anything out there.
Hold on, let Daddy look first.
My car is out there. Just be careful.
Hold on, don't look.
Dad's
I gotta
gonna
see.
Go check. Dad's gonna go check.
I gotta check and see. Hold on, no, not yet.
Dad's gonna go check.
It's my Power Wheels! I want the
Power Wheels? Are you serious? Where? Come out here.
Right here!
Whoa.
Does it work? How does it work? Is there a gas pedal?
Is there a gas pedal down by your foot?
Yeah.
Excuse me. It's too dark.
Whoa.
Yes, there's no button and I can steer. Oh,
You're not gonna drive it more? Drive it some more.
Does it go backwards?
no.
Press on the gas pedal.
You took the key out.
I'll get out. Let's see if the engine goes up.
It opens, but it's hard to open. Daddy will have to open it for you, okay?
He's trying to pop the hood to see what's under the hood. Such a man.
Why don't you get in and drive it?
Oh, yeah, I know. But there was a ribbon on it.
I know. There's a bow here.
That's not right. I mean, we don't do that.
Okay, press on the gas pedal.
You don't have the key yet. You have to press the gas pedal.
You know how to do it, silly.
Yeah, Mommy, you steer it toward you.
I can't sit.
What do you think?
I didn't know there wasn't. There was right now.
Are you surprised?
Yeah, the wacky McQueen.
Wow.
Hey, you guys.
Did Santa Claus do a good job? Did his elves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, press on the gas pedal again.
Hello, get in here. Hello, get in here.
Okay, she's in.
No.
Oh, okay. Now press on the gas pedal. Let's see you go forward.
Hi.
Press on it. We're waiting.
Do you have the key? I think he's still in shop.
Yeah.
Where's the key? Do you have the key in there?
Yeah.
Savannah, where does the key go? Where did you put the key the first time?
On the floor.
I don't think on the floor helps, does it? You had to put it in somewhere. Oh.
It's a race car.
It is, isn't it?
I'm kidding. It's a race car.
You're kidding? It's a race car? You want to show Nana off of your wheel?